Hi, I'm Bill Scott from Peel and Patch, and I want to tell you about all the different surfaces that you can use the patch on. From wood, metal, fiberglass, plastic, any hard surface. You can use it in your home, you can use it in your garden, automotive, use it on your boat, fix skylights, roofs. It's the all-around do-it-yourself product. First, you pull the patch out of the product, get the estimated amount of product out. The white side's the sticky side. That's the side you're going to adhere down to the surface. You're going to pull the corners back. You're going to apply that side down, pushing with your thumbs and fingers on all the edges to get an air and watertight seal. The product takes about 5 to 10 minutes to cure, and it'll be as hard as steel. You can sand it, drill it, or paint it. One patch can be used for multiple repairs. You just peel it and patch it. You're done. When you're done with your repair, the remainder of the product can be put back into the package, use the Ziploc, and it'll be good for a year. The Peel and Patch is soft in the package and hard as steel once it cures. You can also use the Peel and Patch on copper, ATV vehicles for fixing the gas tanks, as well as the plastics, fenders, coolant tanks. And let's not forget about automotive. Use it on tailpipes, gas tanks, coolant tanks, adheres to rust. You can use it for fixing RV roofs, ATVs, sand rails, and it's made in the USA. For more information, go to peelandpatch.com.